Hi everyone, it's Heather with Life with Heather G, and I am here because I have my Lash Me monthly box. So as you know, I tried another lash unboxing not that long ago, and I liked it, but I wanted to try another one. So this is called Lash Me Monthly. It is another one that comes monthly, and I believe it is like $23, but I will put that on the screen after I make sure. I did get a discount code for the first box, so I believe I got like $5 off or like 20% off. Let's go ahead and get in this box and see what's inside. Okay, so it looks like it has bubble wrap all over it, which is nice because it helps prevent it from breaking as you get it, because sometimes I've gotten pallets that have been broken. And it says Wonderland Lash Me Monthly, so that must be their theme, is Wonderland. And then on the back it kind of tells you the prices and what is in your box. Ooh, so cute. All right, I have definitely tried this brand before. I want to say Dolce, and it says cheek blush. Ooh, that's pretty. I've definitely tried this brand. I like their eyeshadows, and I think I've had like eyeliners before that I really like. Oh, that's pretty packaging. And a very, I would say not really a super bright pink, but kind of. Not a super muted pink either. That's pretty. I like that. I will definitely use that. I'm actually looking for a good colored blush. So hopefully it's kind of bright. You don't need much, that's for sure. Yeah, I'll try that out. I do like that brand, so I think I'll like that. All right, so lashes. This one is, they say by Kleiss or Kliss. I'm not sure the brand, but it's Wonderland Lash Me Monthly, so it's their brand. And they're very pretty. I mean, those are nice. I like them, not super long, but long enough. So those are pretty. And then I have another one. Same thing, their brand as well. These look a little bit shorter, but similar. And I do think they have kind of a thin band, which I really like. Up, and then one more. They kind of look, okay, hold on. They have names on the side. Okay, sorry. I couldn't find the name. The one you can see here. One is Candy Cane. The next one's Jolly. And this one is Sugar Plum. So the first two were Candy Cane and Jolly. And then the last one is Sugar Plum. Oh, these are a little bit more wispy on the ends. You can see they're longer at one end than the other, where I feel like these ones are not as much. There's just a slight difference though. There's not a huge difference in those lashes. But I like those, and I have really been getting into putting those on, so I will try those. This one is Laritzi Cosmetics. I've never heard of that, so that's definitely a new brand for me. Liquid Beam Multi-Purpose Liquid Illuminator. I thought it was going to be a lipstick. Oh, this side's already open. I guess I'll use that side. It was already ripped. Okay. So that's pretty. Wow. It's a highlighter, so you can kind of just use it wherever you want, but it's a copper. Ooh, here. That's a copper color, which is really pretty. Oh, yeah. Spread it out a little. Yeah, I like that. I like highlighter. And cream highlighters, the older you get, I always feel like using the powdered highlighters kind of settles into my fine lines and wrinkles, where the liquid ones like that kind of moisturize a little bit more. So it's not as bad. This one, I've never heard of this. Mini Pro Palette Beauty Creations Volume 2. Okay, never heard of it. Ooh, oh wow, those are pretty. I really like this green down here. It's more like an olive green than like a bright green. And those are big pan sizes too. Of course, I always go for the lighter ones. These ones are all up my alley. Even the gold, even that one is one I use a lot. A little bit of the blacks, but man, I'm interested to try that green one right there. So that is really pretty. I've never heard of it, but let me go over the prices real quick. Okay, so it says the 3 pair of lashes are each $14 each. So each of those are $14. The Beauty Creations Mini Pro Palette is $12.99. The Liquid Beam, which is the highlighter, is $22. And the Dolce blush is $28. So it's about 2, 4, 50, 60, 70. There's well over $100 worth of stuff in this. If you count all 3 lashes at $14 each, the $12.99, the $22, and the $28. There's well over $100 in here. And like I said, I'll have to list what I paid for this, but I did also get a coupon code to begin with, so I did get this cheaper, which was nice. So anyways, that is all I got in my box, and I think I like this lash subscription a little bit better than the last one. The last one, the palette, it just wasn't that good of quality, so I'll have to see what this one's like. And my last monthly box was called Lashy Box. I do think also I did use a couple of the lashes, and they do have the thicker band, so they were a little bit heavier on my eyelids, a little bit harder for me to get on. I do hope that these ones are a little easier to put on, and they do have a little bit of a thinner band. So I really hope I have better luck with these ones. They look a little bit more my style too. Not quite as long and, glam. I like the ones that look a little bit more natural so I can wear them every day if I want. So anyways, that is my box. I hope you guys liked it. And if you like these type of unboxings, please like and subscribe so that you get notified anytime I upload another video. And I will see you next time. Bye.